It's a very good afternoon to all the children of class 12 arts. Yes, very good afternoon. ঠিক আছে, কোনো ব্যাপার। Children of class 12 arts, a very good afternoon. Am I audible and visible properly? Okay, thank you very much for your approval. Now, today as I have told you that I have completed chapter 4 from contemporary world politics. So, today I will give you certain questions from this chapter, clear? Today I will give you certain questions from this chapter, and tomorrow I will start a new chapter from the other book, that is Politics in India since Independence. Giving you questions from the chapter New Centers of Power or Alternative Centers of Power, whatever you call it, because as I have told you before that in your book you will get the name of alternative centers of power, whereas if you go by the syllabus given or provided by the board this year for 2020-21, it's written new centers of power, clear? And it's from the book Contemporary World Politics, chapter 4. Now, are you ready, please, children? Are you ready, please? Are you ready with a copy and a pen, as I have told you before also? Okay, please write. Yes, thank you, Ashmita. The first question: what was mentioned in the Marshall Plan, MARSHALL, Marshall Plan, PLAN, M and P will be in caps, and put this words Marshall Plan within single inverted commas and then a question mark. What was mentioned in the Marshall Plan? This will be for 2 marks. Next one: when was the now the words which I tell you, all the first alphabets should be in caps. All the first alphabets should be in caps. Organization for European Economic Cooperation, within brackets write OEEC. This is the abbreviated form of Organization for European Economic Cooperation. OEEC, close the bracket and write established. Question mark, 1 marks. It's 100, it's in the year 1948, clear? Next one, again I will give you certain one answer type 1 marks questions. Next one: when was the Council of Europe, C capital E capital, when was the Council of Europe established? 1 marks, question mark, 1 marks. You can write the answer beside. 1949. Another one, same, in the same way only. When was the European Economic Community, European Economic Community, European Economic Community, and within the brackets you can write EEC, EEC formed? Question mark. This will be for 1 marks. And the answer is 1957. Next one. When was the European Union, E capital, U capital, when was the European Union established? You know, these are, as when I've given you in the book, that in the YouTube you will see that how actually previous, when it started growing up, it was not known as European Union. It was known by different names, and all the organizations, when they were put together, it was given the name of European Union. Clear? So when was the European Union established? Question mark, 1 marks. And the answer will be 1992. You can understand from the date itself that European Union as a center of power came to be known later, whereas it was known either OEEC, EEC in this way. All were put together and in an organized way it was known to be the European Union, and the answer will be 1992. Next one. What were the main achievements of the European Union? What were the main achievements of the European Union? It will be a 6 marks answer. You will get them on pages 52, second column. From the 3rd paragraph itself, you will get from every paragraph till page number 54. You can get them, that what were the main achievements, that means what were the positive things or positive developments which were actually brought about by the establishment of the European Union. Now another question, what was the main objective? What was the main objective of the European Union? You will get this in page number 52 only from the starting. It will be for 2 marks. Next one, name 2 TWO2. Name 2 members of the European Union who are the permanent members, of the UNN, you know, United Nations Organization, UN Security Council, S capital C capital, UN Security Council, question mark, it will be for 2 marks, and the answer is Britain and France. Britain and France. So Britain and France, you know, they are members of European Union, and together with that, these 2 countries, you know, they also have a permanent seat in the Security Council. Next one, which British Prime Minister was America's partner? America's will be apostrophe S. America's partner in the Iraq invasion, Iraq, IRAQ, Iraq invasion. Question mark, 1 marks, this will be for 1 marks, and the answer is Tony Blair, TONY BLAIR. Next one, which British Prime Minister kept the European Union out of the European market? E capital, M capital, European market. Question mark, 1 marks, and the answer is Margaret Thatcher. Margaret Thatcher. Next question, when was the ASEAN established? ASEAN, ASEAN, all the first alphabets, all the alphabets in caps. It is an abbreviated form of Association for Southeast Asian Nations. When was the ASEAN established? Question mark. Together with that, name the founder countries. Founder countries, that means countries who were there with in the formation of the ASEAN. Clear? Name the founder countries of the ASEAN. Founder countries of the ASEAN. So the division of marks will be 1 plus 2. So for the first one, when was the ASEAN established? The answer is 1967. And the countries who were the founder members, that means when ASEAN was being formed, it was formed with by which countries? 5 countries were there. They were Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore and Thailand. These were the 5 countries. Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore and Thailand. Next one, what was the main objective for the formation of the ASEAN? 2 marks. It's given on page number 56, second column, first paragraph. Next one, name the main organizations which were made a part of, not together, and separate, part separate, a part of the ASEAN community in 2003. Question mark, 2 marks. You are getting it on page number 56, second column, third paragraph, it's given here. What were the names of the organizations? They were ASEAN Security Community, ASEAN Economic Community and ASEAN Socio-Cultural Community. Clear? Next one, when was the ASEAN Regional Forum, R capital F capital, when was the ASEAN Regional Forum, within the brackets write ARF, close the bracket and write formed and why? The division of marks will be 1 plus 2. So the ASEAN Regional Forum, it was established in the year 1994 and its main work was for the coordination of security and foreign policy. Coordination of security and the foreign policy of the ASEAN. Now, next one. What is vision, V capital, VISION, vision 2020, vision 2020, question mark, 2 marks. It's given on page number 57. The Vision 2020 has defined an outward looking role for ASEAN in the international community, and it is thinking of developing into an international community by the year 2020. This is known to be the ASEAN, the Vision 2020. Now, next one, what is meant by abbreviated forms? FTA, FTA, 2 marks. রিপিট করবেন একবার প্লিজ, কোনটা রিপিট করব জীবনাংশ আমি বুঝতে পারছি না। FTA, 2 marks, question mark 2 marks. I'm giving you the answer, it's on page number 57 only. FTA, it is actually the creation of free trade area for investment, labor and services. It's on page number 57, first column, second paragraph, last, towards the last you will find it. Now, next one, what are the achievements of the ASEAN? What are the achievements of the ASEAN? It will be for 4 marks. This answer you will have to go through the part of ASEAN, and from several parts you will have to bring out this answer, that what are the areas in which ASEAN has been successful in its work. That means ASEAN, sorry, that means what? Sorry, achievements. Now, with regard to picture study, you see page number 57, if you have the book in front of you, below you are having a picture. See, it's a picture where you can see Manmohan Singh has been represented, East Asian nations is given. You know, you are having picture study. So, what is given below, you will have to go through that, and from the next page, page 58, you will get a representation of the cartoon. Page 58, you will get what is actually meant in this cartoon. Clear? Picture study will come. Again on page number 59, you see the China, the wall of China with the face of a dragon in front of it. That will also be an important part for your picture study. Clear? So, whenever you sit, I will make a mention of those parts. So, whenever you sit with the study book, especially for my class, you have a copy and the book in front of you, so that I will mention which are the pictures which will be important for you. Clear? So, the next part of the chapter I will complete tomorrow. Clear? Yes, thank you. Have a nice day. How many marks it will carry? 5 marks. 5 marks for pictures. 5 marks for pictures, that means it will have either 3 subparts or 2 subparts. Clear? the marks can be divided into 2 plus 3 or 1 plus 1 plus 3 or 2 plus 1, it will depend in that way. Pictures are actually for 5 marks. Okay, thank you very much.